I hope you've had a fantastic Monday, first day back from spring break, and those springtime temperatures are still sticking around here in the Golden Triangle, 68 degrees, with the winds out of the south at 6 miles an hour, so we'll continue to warm up throughout the day just like we have for the last week or so, but we do have some clouds in the area, just some high clouds, going to just limit the blue skies for a little bit, but it's still going to be a gorgeous day outside, and those springtime temperatures have already brought our springtime pollen. Today and tomorrow, we are going to see very high tree pollen counts, and actually tomorrow is the very first day of spring, so this is quite appropriate for this time of year. And Wednesday and Thursday, just a little bit lower, just the high level, and that's courtesy of some rain we may see in here a little bit later this week. No rain for today, though, and our temperatures right now across the region, 68 in the Golden Triangle and down in the capital of Jackson along the Gulf Coast, 75 in New Orleans, 70 in Destin, and also 70 up north in Memphis. Now, we do have some clouds moving through the area. We saw those on the sky cam, and you can see them just moving from the southwest off to the northeast, just filtering through the state of Mississippi. Back off to the west, there are some rain showers back off into Texas and into the western portions of Arkansas. Now, we won't see that for quite a few days, and Futurecast picks up on this well. We stay clear on into Tuesday around the middle of the day, and those clouds do begin to filter into the southern half of the state, and we may begin to see some more cloud cover on into the day Tuesday as well. But we do see what looks to be a squall line of showers and thunderstorms back off to the west in Texas and into Arkansas and Oklahoma. Now, that doesn't really move very much further east over the next day. By Wednesday at 7 o'clock in the morning, it's basically stationary over the same places. So those areas may see lots of rain, and we continue to stay into the clear. We do have some clouds beginning to push into the southern half of the state, and maybe a couple of chances of showers just along the very southern portions of Mississippi and into Louisiana. Now, we're looking at rain on into the later part of the week, but our story tomorrow is going to be wind. Very windy, wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour, so make sure that you secure any outdoor lawn furniture that you have just in case it is light and it might get blown away. Now today, 84 degrees, those winds out of the southeast at 5 to 15 miles an hour. We're getting awfully close to breaking our record high for today. It's about 85 degrees, set back in 1982, so we could come close. If we could get those clouds to part just a little bit, we may actually tie it. So it's going to be very warm today. Tonight, still mild temperatures, 60 degrees. Those clouds overhead are going to limit our cooling overnight, and the wind still out of the southeast at 10 miles an hour. Tomorrow, 86 degrees, so once again, flirting with that record high temperature again, southeast at 15 to 30 miles an hour, but those gusts once again up to 45 miles an hour, so awfully windy outside. And then on into the next 5 days, we do see that chance of showers and thunderstorms returning on Thursday into Friday, and we sure do need that to wash away that pollen for those of us that are suffering. It looks like it may take actually a little bit longer to get into the area, so we're also looking at Friday being a very rainy day, so a rainy start to the weekend. Today, tomorrow, highs in the mid-80s. That rain moves in, highs drop into the upper 70s, so a little bit more seasonal for this time of year. And Saturday, those highs remain in the upper 70s as well. And those lows, wonderful, warm lows for the next 5 days around the 60-degree mark. Thank you for joining me for Campus Connect. I'm meteorologist Stephanie Goldsmith.